Hey guys, I'm making another video, but right now I am on my sister's account, so yeah.
Hi!
And that's my sister. Honestly, can I change up your tiger?
Yeah.
Not saying it's bad, but it doesn't look amazing. So we're just gonna start on a blank canvas. So we're going to change these. How does that look? That doesn't look amazing, but it looks okay.
Do black ones. Do black swirlies.
We're gonna do a freedom tiger. Okay?
Okay.
You have 2 freedom top hats, I'm getting one.
No!
Okay, so
You're not getting mine. 2 freedom hot.
why?
Because.
I want one.
Don't get the rare one.
Honestly, the tiger doesn't look very good.
That is me.
What?
No.
I'm just saying that the tigers that AJ made are not amazing.
Those things look like hooves.
Don't really have much of freedom stuff either. The paws, like if you put shoes or something, it makes it look really, really big. Okay, look, I can get this.
No, don't buy it! Don't buy it! Don't buy it!
Why?
Because I have $500.
You actually have $800. You have $800.
No, 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 no!
What? I can earn more money for you. Or you can sell some stuff if you don't want it. Do you want this mask?
Looks stupid.
So stupid. You're stupid. There, you got your gems back.
Yay!
Why? Why? Why?
It looks like Indian.
This doesn't look very good either.
Come on,
You
it's
just need
almost
to be a member. All this, you can't get any of this stuff.
the member. Eh. Why? Why, AJ? Why did you do this, AJ?
Yeah, AJ, why you know? Yeah, whatever. There, looks good. Nailed it. Fabulous.
Yeah, right.
What do you mean? Oh my god, this penguin needs some makeover.
My penguin needs a makeover.
Yeah, your penguin seriously needs a makeover. Okay, left it from sunglasses. No, I'm just kidding.
What in the world?
Bandage head.
Oh, what in the world is bandage head? Jingle bells, Batman smiles, Robin laid an egg.
No.
The Batmobile was so real, and Joker played ballet. Hey!
No.
Aw, Jingle bells, Batman smiles, Robin laid an egg. I don't like the song, it's so mean, and I don't like Batman or the King. Comment down below if you like my song.
Or comment down below if you don't like her song. Okay, that's it. I'm going on my account. This bothers me very badly.
My penguin needs a makeover though.
Quit screaming.
I do not like your eagle.
My eagle looks fabulous.
It looks like a piece of dirt.
Eagle is fabulous.
It looks like a piece of dirt.
You're so mean. Fine. If it's a piece of dirt, just put it in dirt.
Okay.
It doesn't want to go in dirt. It's on its cloud. Fine. It's a big rock. It's a big blue rock. Let's just pretend like he's a piece of dirt. And he's digging in the ground because he wants to become dirt. Since you're so mean, you want him to become dirt. You're mean. You're mean. You're very mean.
It looks like a piece of trash can.
You're so mean. You're so mean. You're so mean. Now this cat needs a makeover. Okay, let's it.
It looks like an Indian with a diaper on. Looks like an Indian with a diaper on. No, seriously, it does.
You're so mean.
An Indian with a diaper on.
You're so mean.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Damn eyes, dough. Oh my god, it's so derpy. It has no eyes. Oh god, that's scary. That is very scary. Let's give it some socks. Swagalicious socks. No way. That is it. I'm sorry, but that's not a very good trait.
Oh god.
Pizzazz. Pizzazz, pizzazz, pizzazz. Make it a rainbow thing. Yay, rainbow. No,
Make
no.
it have socks on.
That's scary.
How what?
Fine, we'll give it some socks. We'll give it some Converse.
Now it looks like a piece of blood. A piece of dye.
You are... No, it's just really... It's just... I don't know, it's just be...
Just kidding.
It's just gonna become a big pile of dye. What's so funny? Just because it's a big pile of dye doesn't mean you get to make fun of it. Stop making fun of the big pile of dye. What's so funny? You're like, ah! It's just a big pile of dye. Dude, your trades. It's not fair. It's not fair. You're not a big pile of dye. Why? Are you laughing?
You already got one.
Gem tails. That tail.
The tail looks like a piece of dye.
No, it's gonna become a big pile of dye because you chopped it off. Don't chop off big piles of dye. Fabulous, fabulous. I'm just kidding.
Oh, no,
Just
no.
kidding. This is really bad. I'm gonna change him.
That is no, that's not a green. That's
You are hurting my shoulder. That hurts. It's not funny. It's not funny.
Poke his eyeball.
Rings.
Poke his eyeball.
Don't poke his eyeball.
Do you like
That's
my
not
nails?
That's not very nice.
My nails look like
That's
a
not
piece
very
of,
nice.
My nails look like a piece
That's
of
not very
pile
nice.
of dye.
That's not very nice. Okay, we're gonna switch the top hat. I'm gonna end this video.
Bye bye.
I said it in a little bit.
Ow. Boy, you swagalicious pieces of dye.
You mean swag.
What in the
There we go.
world? It looks like a student about to die. In a pile of dye.
Okay, well, I'm going to end this video here with my sister that needs to go to bed because it's like 9. So, yeah, we'll see you baby pups later. Bye!